That's my new basketball court. Oops, oh, my new basketball court. See, I have it facing this way now. I cut my lawn. And there's the birdies. See, I got a bird. I set up this longer bird feeder. See? I gotta fix the water thing, but see, there's more, like, see, I use that form board that we use for the cement. I use that to put the bird food in, and there's some feathers and the blue jay. The blue jay bird feeder still there in that water. Well, I just have to get a bigger brick for that to sit on the bird feeder thing. I mean the bird feeder, bird bath. Whew. Anyway, so I was shooting underneath here for about an hour and a half. No, a little over an hour. So my arm's kind of a little sore, but so I shot out here for a little bit. So I just wanted to show you my new outdoor court. I just started shooting out here a few minutes ago, and so I just thought I'd show you my new angle, because my basket used to be over here, now it's over here. So anyway, I just cut my lawn with my lawnmower, so yesterday. So anyway, see y'all later. This is my new basketball setup.